Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 6 best side hustles of 2021. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to be going down 6 to 1. So make sure you tune and stay tuned right to the very end to find out best side hustle for 2021. And all of these side hustles are things you can do from home. Okay, so it's not anything like being an Uber driver or something like that. All of these things can literally be done from your home as long as you've got an internet connection and obviously a laptop or a tablet or something like that. You will then be able to do any of these 6. And most of them, there are no startup costs. They are free to start, and you can also start them today. So if you're looking for different ways to make money, stay tuned, and we're going to go through them one by one, like I say, and we're going to start off with number 6. So let's head over to the desktop and find out exactly what it is. Okay, so coming in at number 6, and that is becoming a freelancer. Now, what that is someone that works on certain websites, and I'm going to show you 2 or 3 of those very, very shortly. And what they do is they do certain jobs and tasks for either individuals or companies, and then they get paid to do those actual tasks. I've also done a couple of other videos on my YouTube channel about this, so I'll direct you to those as well and show you which ones you can actually go and watch to get a more in-depth look at each of these sites and how you can use them. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at for this is Fiverr.com, and as you can see, they're free to sign up for. You can sign up and get a free account, and then what you do is you would create what they call gigs, and then these gigs you can then charge people to do various different tasks. Okay, and they've got different sections here. They've got graphics and design, so you could do things like logos, business card stationery, game art. They've also got digital marketing, so you could do local SEO or even social media marketing for people. They do writing and translation, video and animation, music, audio, so you could do singing for someone. So if you've got, or you could do a voiceover if you've got a really good voice that is really good to do voiceovers with. Even programming and tech, so you could, if you know, game development or streamers, all that sort of thing, chat box, all those sort of things, you could actually get paid to do certain things for, and you could get paid pretty handsomely too. Okay, so if you want to know more about Fiverr, obviously head over to my YouTube channel if you're not already there. Click on the videos, just search Fiverr in the search bar here. And as you can see, you can click on this video and you can actually go and check out more about Fiverr and how you make money on Fiverr. So the next one we're going to look at is People Per Hour. This is another program, again free to sign up to, and again they've got all these different similar sort of or tasks that you can do, so it works in exactly the same way. So again, that is another one, good site to go and check out. Yeah, if you want to know more about People Per Hour, I actually made a video. My most recent video was all about People Per Hour, so you can check it out obviously on my videos here, and it's the Earn Money Online, $10 a day, no experience needed, and that's it. Just click that one and then shows you more about People Per Hour. Last one I'd recommend for this is called Upwork, and again it works in very, very similar sort of way, where you actually obviously sign up for a free account, you post jobs, work, and you can also go and bid on work as well, that other people have actually posted a job and you can go and bid for the work as well. So it works slightly differently to the other two, but similar sort of thing in total. That is number 6, becoming a freelancer. Like I say, no experience really needed, because some of the tasks you can do here really, really simple, and especially if you watch the video on People Per Hour, I show you that you don't need any experience at all. So what is number 5? Number 5 is become a virtual assistant, and a virtual assistant can do loads of different jobs for businesses or for individuals. And again, you could use those platforms I've just shown you as a springboard to this. But if you wanted to concentrate maybe on social media management, that sort of thing, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, there are huge opportunities out there for you to work with companies and individuals just doing their social media. and obviously posting things on Facebook, posting things on Instagram, answering queries, that sort of thing. So this is a great way you can actually start. The only downside from this is obviously you would then get paid per hour normally, and you get a set rate. But again, if you hook up with some big individuals and companies, you could probably earn a full-time income at this quite easily. And again, it's something you need very little knowledge to do. Then sometimes they're even more menial tasks like data entry, that sort of thing. Something you can actually do from home, and you can start that today, guys. So number 4 is obviously selling on eBay or Amazon, or both. Okay, so these are two of the biggest platforms there are on the internet for selling items. And all you need to do, obviously eBay, things like that. So you could sell stuff that's just lying around the house just to get yourself going. Then you could obviously go and look at getting bargains and deals and that are around on other websites, and obviously then transfer it and make a profit by selling it for more on eBay or Amazon. You could also ship in, which is what I did a couple of years ago. I had an Amazon store. I bought supplies from China and had them shipped across to America, and then they were sold to the US market. And I made a lot of money doing that in just on a 12-month period. And then I moved on to doing other bits and pieces because it can be a little bit time consuming. That's one of the downsides to this. You have to be on top of it most of the time, answering questions, queries, and obviously promoting your products so they stay high up in the rankings of Amazon and eBay. But it is doable, and it certainly is something that you can start again from scratch, and you can obviously start it from home and build it into a full-time income, guys. You really can. So that's number 4. So number 3, we're talking of print on demand. Now, if you hadn't heard of this one, this is very, very popular these days, where you can actually get a design that you have got a copyright for, and then you can post it on items such as t-shirts, mugs, that sort of thing, and then sell them for a profit. Looking to do more into that, check out my recent video I done on print on demand here just a couple of weeks ago, and let's go dive more in depth into how it works. But the 2 sites that I would probably recommend that you go and have a look at. So the first one is a site called Redbubble, and as you can see here, you can sign up for free. You can put your design on anything: clothing, dresses, hoodies, sweatshirts, leggings, masks, even stickers, phone cases, wall art. Again, you could start this off from scratch. As long as you've got the copyright to the image, then you could then just post this, and certainly Redbubble will do all the advertising and they'll promote it for you. And there's also another site called Teespring, and again that works very, very similar. You obviously sign up for a free account, and then you can obviously add your images to different items. With Teespring though, slightly different, that you have to go and start and get some sales before they actually start selling it on your behalf. Okay, so there's a little bit of work needed at the beginning, but after that then it could become a passive sort of income. So again, this is why it's quite high on my list of number 3, because it's once you've got the designs in there and you've got it all set up, then those orders could come in regularly, just as you're sleeping basically. So that's number 3. So we're getting near to the best side hustle for 2021 that I am looking at today. Put a comment below if you're trying any of these, or you have tried any of these, or that maybe you're even doing something slightly different that is working for you. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so number 2 in the best side hustles for 2021, and that is cryptocurrencies. Now, that could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be Dogecoin, anything like that. And there's loads of them about. So you could be talking of trading these, you could be talking mining, and you could also be just putting some investments into Bitcoin and obviously letting them grow over time, because it is literally growing every single day at the moment. It is fluctuating up and down, but it's still on an upward trend. So it's something basically I would look into doing. The only downside with the Bitcoin, there's a couple of downsides. Obviously, one, you will need possibly some money to invest in this. Now, I have done some videos about how you can actually go and earn Bitcoin easily. Now, one of the downsides, obviously, with the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is there are a lot of sites out there that are scams, guys, and they will take your money and they won't pay out. So be wary of that. So check out the playlist on my channel, all about Bitcoin, because there's a lot of good companies in there and there are a lot of bad ones as well. So that will actually help you do that. But two of the sites I'm going to show you now is a good way that if you're starting out with Bitcoin, there's a great site where you can go and you can actually go and get some free training, and that is called iCoin Pro. Okay, and they have a great training program here, so you can get the iCoin Pro training, and you can also become an affiliate with them, so you can actually earn not only through the Bitcoin but also through recommending it to other people, and you can actually build a business just with iCoin Pro. But I'd certainly recommend that you go and take their iCoin Pro training because it is totally free. And what I've done in my resources under each of my videos, so it'll be under this one as well, if you scroll down and you'll see my best resources here, and you can see here free crypto training and trading platform. So just click on that link there and that will take you through to the free training that you can get from iCoin Pro. And another place where you can go and look at mining and exchanging and buying and selling crypto is a site called Binance. They are very reputable as well, and certainly I would look at checking those out as well. Nearly time. My number one best side hustle for 2021, guys. Stay tuned. We're coming right up to it right now. Okay, so my number one way to make money in 2021 is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, again, check out my channel and go to my channel, click on the search button and put in affiliate marketing. As you can see here, there are a few videos I've made on affiliate marketing. This one being probably the best one to look at and go through. It's a complete tutorial, so it goes into much more detail on that. But basically what affiliate marketing is you go and promote other people's products and services, and you get paid a commission when somebody actually goes and takes up those services or buys that product or something like that. One of the ways you really want to do it is probably either to start a blog or to start a YouTube channel, or both. You can do that, or you could use paid ads to drive traffic to your offers and deals and promotions. So there's a couple of sites I'm going to show you as well where you can go and get, again, some free training to get you up and going and find out more about the affiliate marketing business model. Okay, so Wealthy Affiliate is a great place to go and learn how to start a blog. As you can see here, it takes you through all the different training. You've got the online entrepreneur certification and the affiliate bootcamp, and there's the whole course is there. You get the level 1 entrepreneur for free and the level 1 on the bootcamp for free. And obviously you can pay to get the others as well, which is a monthly fee after that if you wish. But even getting you up and started is all included in the level 1. That includes getting your blog up and online and everything. So that is a good place to go. And I've been a member of a Wealthy Affiliate for quite a few years, and I've made quite a bit of money through my blogs that I've got, and I've got a couple of different blogs. I've also joined recently the OLSP system. Okay, and again, this is a system, and as you can see, I've already started earning money in this system as well. This is what the great thing is about this OLSP system, because they will actually pay you $20 just for going through their boot camp, guys. So you go through, there's 15 videos here. You literally just go through the videos. You then get $20 added into your commissions tab here. Once you go through that, then all these tabs open up and you've got more free units you can actually go through and then start to obviously promote stuff out and obviously make money. And this explains, again, go through this, and all the training does, all the bootcamp does was actually go through and explains the whole system, and it is a phenomenal system, guys. It really is. All you have to do is obviously drive traffic to an offer, get some people into the OLSP system, and you make commissions various other different ways. But I'm not going to tell you all of that yet. Head over there and go and check it out. And again, if you look in the description below this video, my number one recommendation, that is my number one recommendation at the moment, the OLSP system, because it truly is a system that's going to grow and grow. Now, obviously, I've done my YouTube channel as well, and as you can see, I've recently got only recently got my channel monetized. And now once it's monetized, I'm not only earning through affiliate marketing, through putting links and that in my description, but I'm also earning ads as well. So this is a double whammy with YouTube. You can get your channel monetized, you can start earning revenue that way. I've earned nearly $2,000 already, guys, with this. So again, this is working passively now. All the time my videos are viewed, I am possibly earning some revenue from that, whether people click on the links below or whatever. So again, that is great. And if you want to take up YouTube, you don't have to put your face on YouTube. So if you don't want to get behind the camera and you want to be out of shot and things like that, I would recommend you check out Matt Parr's free training. He does a free webinar on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Now, I've actually, this is a free webinar. I've actually just taken Matt's course, where he shows you more in depth about how he runs his 9 YouTube channels and how he earns over thousands of dollars every single month on autopilot. And he actually only shows his face on one of those channels, guys. So again, if you want to check out this, obviously click on the description below here and go to the best resources. And there's a link in these best resources to Matt Parr's webinar where you can go and grab it for free. And he goes over some great material there, and he is phenomenal. And I'm going to do a more in-depth video about his actual course that he's got. I'm going to do a more in-depth video on that, just a single video coming up really shortly. So if you're into YouTube or you want to be into YouTube, then make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel, because you'll get notification of that video then. So guys, there we go. That's my full rundown, my top 6 best side hustles for 2021. Remember, obviously, if you've got other side hustles that you're doing and you're working from home, then let us know in the comments below here, and I'll be great to obviously find out more about those. And if you have any questions, obviously put them in the comments below. Okay, I trust you found it interesting and useful. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up in the comments below. Or you may be doing something different, that obviously let us know what it is in the comments below. But remember, it's got to be something you can do from home. Okay, make sure you watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.